Dear students, today's yours video I want to discuss about your creative writing section. In your paper 12th class, notice will be covered up 4 marks. I have given you few tips about the notice on the screen. Please pay attention because before the formation of notice, if we are not able to real purpose of the notice, we will not justify with the question. So, what is notice? A notice is written or printed news. It may also be some sort of announcement or information. We can say a notice is a piece of writing especially written on occasion to attract the attention of a prospective group of people. Notices are to be put up on the notice board of schools, colleges, offices, etc. So, notice is very most important. For the proper formation of the notice, some things should be kept in your mind. First, name of the institution which is issuing the notice, date of that notice, the heading of notice to make it very clear. Here, I want to clear this fact that before few years, in notice question, notice word should be in capital. It was mandatory. But nowadays, notice should be mentioned either in capital और इन रनिंग वे राइटिंग. नोटिस को बड़े शब्दों में लिखना पहले जरूरी था, लेकिन अब नोटिस रनिंग राइटिंग में भी एक्सेप्ट किया जाता है. सुटेबल एंड आई कैचिंग हेडिंग, तीसरे नंबर पर हेडिंग. पहले नंबर पर इंस्टीट्यूशन नेम, दूसरे नंबर पर डेट, तीसरे नंबर पर नोटिस वर्ड, अब heading. Suitable and eye-catching heading. Eye-catching means attractive heading to hold the immediate attention of the reader. Then in details, you should be give date, time, venue, program, duration of the information. For it, notice has two parts. Format. In it, name of the organization, date, word, subject, and also solution. Content. It should the answer of questions what, when, where, how. जब भी आप किसी नोटिस को लिखें तो आप इन क्वेश्चनों के आंसर दिमाग में बनाकर लिखें. व्हाट, व्हेन, वेयर, हाउ. सम रिमेंबरिंग पॉइंट्स आई वांट टू डिस्कस विद यू. नोटिस शुड बी रिटन इन थर्ड फॉर्म. It should be put in a square box. Nowadays, according board has changed the rule. So, box is not mandatory, but you should be developed to put your notice in a square box. purpose of writing the notice should be very clear. Some students give unnecessary information. We should be cling with necessary information. टॉपिक से भटक जाते हैं और नोटिस में और तमाम चीज़ें जोड़ देते हैं. नो unnecessary information should be included. At last, it must have a signature and designation. Designation, what is your assumed post? At the time of heading, you should be avoid using auxiliaries. Means you should be put away the full sentence as the heading. कुछ बच्चे हेडिंग में पूरा पूरा सेंटेंस लिख देते हैं, हमें इनको हटाना. यूज द स्ट्रक्चर, बी गोइंग टू गिव द इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट ए फ्यूचर इवेंट, बिकॉज वी आर नॉट गिविंग द प्रेजेंट डे डिस्क्रिप्शन. वी विल बी गिव द इंसिडेंट और द इंफॉर्मेशन average 99% topics regarding future. Now, types of notices. Which type of notices is including in your course? Notice for meeting, notice for events like sports, cultural function, lost and found notice, notice from the principal to the student, notice of the societies, housing societies, and public notices. Dear students, these are the types of notices. Regarding these types of notices, you will find questions in your paper. On the screen, you are able to find format of a notice. In this square box, you are able to find first thing, name of the organization, institution or office issuing the notice. It is the first part. Second, notice word. Third is date. And next is description in heading or subject should be written. There is one large space. In this space, you should write the content of the notice. Then after content, in first column, signature, second column, name and designation, name, and third, designation. What is the post in the question? In your screen, you are able to find one sample notice. You are Rakesh Sharma, the head boy of Bhiwani Public School, Bhiwani. You have been asked to write a notice regarding a bicycle found in the school. Write the notice in not more than 50 words. Add necessary details. Necessary, not unnecessary. In this question, in this attempt question, you are able to find first place is Bhiwani Public School, Bhiwani. It is an institution name. Notice. Next is 25th July. A bicycle found is the heading. And on the name of contents, a bicycle has been found unclaimed in the cycle shed. Here we can start it. All hereby persons are informed that anyone who has lost it or left it by mistake can identify and claim it from the office of superintendent during recess. within 2 days of this notice. It is content. Next is Rakesh Sharma, head boy. In this connection, you are able to find the word limit. 50 word limit is not completed. So in this regard, you should be add about the completed your word limit. For example, I am going to one completed fully word limit question. Listen this question. You are Komal, the secretary of the English club of your school. You plan to organize an educational tour to Mumbai during the summer vacation. Write a notice mentioning the schedule of the tour, expenses, permission letter from the parents, and last. Dear students, in this question, teacher is giving the clues to mention in your question answer. The schedule of the tour, expenses, permission letter from the parents, and last date. What, when, where, how. Now we need to mention this. So we should start our notice form. Firstly, mention your school name. Just as you are able to find in this question, there is no school name. So you should be mention any imaginary school name. After mentioning school name, you should be mention notice, next date, next title, educational tour. We can start this topic is by the content. It is hereby informed that the English club of the school is organizing an educational tour to Mumbai during the summer vacation from 5th June to 15th June. मैंने जून मेंशन इसलिए किया क्योंकि समर वैकेशन का टाइम है. The expenses to be incurred and calculated will be ₹1,200 per head. Those who are willing to enjoy, interested. The trip should give their names to the undersigned with a permission letter from their parents. क्योंकि बिना माता पिता की सहमत के कोई भी कॉलेज टूर नहीं ले जा सकता. So their names to undersigned person with a permission letter from their parents on or before 13th May. In this content, after containing all questions regarding the need of answer, you should mention Komal. Komal is the, you are Komal from the question, and secretary English club. Dear student, I hope you will be very well understand about the proper format of the notice and you will no find any type of difficulty. In my next video, we will discuss on the next any point of your creative writing. Till then, thanks. Have a nice day.